All right, hey guys, so we finally got the, let me show you guys, the Model 3 HEPA filter. As I showed you before, we kind of left the regular filter in there until this comes, but we did clean it up. And this is a cleaner before you put the filter. Now I decided to go with another company. This is made in Germany. It was a bigger bottle than the previous one for about the same price, so I decided to go with this one, and the reviews were good. So let's take a look. So now we're actually going to take a look here for the screws. So the first thing you want to do is remove these screws up here. You see them? And then we have to remove this part, which, like I said before, you grab it from up here and you could really pull this out. But again, it's better to take off this first. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. So what you want to do is just take a minus screwdriver, just like this. And what you want to do is pull this down, just like this. So, and then if you have nails, you could also do it. So you see how I push this one down? Do the same thing with the other ones. There we go. And then same thing, 1, 2, there's a whole one here, you can see. You can pull that one down, and there is one more that's actually right here, and that's how you remove it. Now remember, there are a speaker and a light attached to it. So what you could do is, push it aside, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove this right here. All you have to do, like I said before, pull up here, and the rest you can just snap off. Here it is, guys. So let's put this on the side here, and then same thing, guys, up there we're gonna need to use one of the screws. Let's take a look, and here it is, guys. There's a screw up there. I'm gonna take that off. I have a tip here. It's the 15. I think you could do 15 or 16 is fine. And that's it. Alright, we're going to remove the old filters, which they're here. See, you do have a toggle here to remove it. Alright, there's one. And the second one, it's actually lower, so you have to pick it up and move it out. 2 filters out. These are going to be garbage. Here they are. Now, let's open this new filter. So we have our filter right here. Wow. There's the taps for them, 1 and 2. But before we open them, what we're going to do is use this to spray inside. Alright, here we go. So we're going to take this, put it all the way inside there, and we're going to spray the whole can in there. We'll take a look. Wow, so this can did really spray the whole thing. You could actually see the foam all the way to the top. So what we're gonna do is, there's a little bit left, and maybe we could, so this amount was perfect compared to the other one. Open this. Oh wow, so look, take a look here, guys, and there's all this which we want to remove because we don't want that going inside. Which what I'm gonna do is I'm not even going to attempt to open this whole thing. I'm just going to stick this right in here, right all the way down, and try to spray whatever left I have of the can in here. You see all this? That's why it's good to have this extra filter that I talked about. Alright, so now I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to close this up a bit. And then we're going to turn on the air conditioning on very low. Okay. And we gotta keep this on for 10 minutes. Keep this on for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put this HEPA filter in. There's the other side of it. So it actually goes in this facing us, this side. It's a snug fit, guys. So one filter goes down, and as you see now, the tap is there, and now the second filter. Well guys, they're both in. Again, it is a very snug fit. And there's the tap up there. And now I'm gonna close it up.